Hello, in this jQuery video, I am going to show you chaining. And chaining is really awesome. It allows you to essentially group together on one single, line of code, multiple, effects, multiple, methods that you can use, for your selector. So if I create a button, for a break line first, and then I'll create a button. This button is going to have an ID, and I'm going to call this epic chain. So I'm going to spell epic chain first, so I'm going to say click me, save that, and so that's what we've got so far. And if I go to here, I need to detect when they have been clicked, so hash click, no, it's epic chain is called, epic chain dot click. If you want to know more about events such as the click event, feel free to check out the event part of this series. So now what we need to do is select all of our elements that we want to call methods on, and I'll just do id.fader. That will just return the one element, but you can do multiple elements as well if you want to. Principle is the same, and the selector can be as advanced or as simple as need it to be. And now dot here is where you put something like, I don't know, slide. Let's have a look what we could put. We could put fade. Let's say fade 2. So this will fade to a certain opacity, so 0.5 for example. Okay, so why did that not work? Let me have a quick look. What has happened? Fade to what have I done? Meant to be a parameter which is meant to be the speed itself, and you can put slow, fast, or millisecond. I'll keep it simple and I'll have slow. And now if I reload it, as you can see, it faded. Okay, maybe I have another button, another call as well. And the next call could be potentially to do with, what could I do next? Or actually what I could do is maybe, doesn't really matter where you put it, but I'm just going to put it before. I could modify the CSS, for example. So I could say CSS. And maybe I want to modify the background color. Background. Is that what it is? Background color? I'm getting confused there. Yeah, it's background color. For some reason, it just didn't look right in my head. Okay, now you put colon, then comma, sorry, that's if you specify multiple. And now the color I'll set to, let's think, blue, for example. If I reload it, click me, change it to blue, and it fades it. What we can actually do is combine them. So instead of having it like this, I'll leave this here, and I'll comment it out, just so on the GitHub source code page you can see what is exactly happening. If I get rid of the semicolon, and I put the fade 2 at the end, so it's all on one line now. It doesn't look like it because it's broken down. If I extend my text editor, you can see it is technically on one single line of code. Now if I reload it, it allows you to chain the functions together, and you can go crazy. You can add a lot of you can do as much chaining as you want. So this is really useful instead of having multiple calls like this with multiple selectors. That is inefficient as well, because you're getting the item or the elements multiple times. This way it's got them once, and you just say, okay, we want to modify CSS, we want to fade to 50% opacity, and anything else you want to do, just put dot the jQuery method name that you can apply to a selector, any parameters it needs. Obviously you put, so for example, function name, any parameters in here that you need, then dot, then any other functions that you want as well. So that's chaining in jQuery, including method chaining. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.